Okay, you guys, so let's get right on into it. So first you're going to want to download iMovie, and I'm going to just go into iMovie, click the plus sign, and I'm going to select create movie. And pretty much this is a shoot that I did, kind of like a behind the scenes of my best friend. She's a sign model. She lit, you know what I'm saying? So I ended up shooting for her behind the scene with the iPhone. So pretty much when you go into iMovie, you just want to select the videos that you want to use for your movie, boo. So right now I'm just going all the way to the front, because basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of just like skim through with my finger on what clips are in what sequence, and then from there I'm just going to take my finger and kind of scroll over just so that I can see, okay, what do I want to show first? And as you can see there, I just kind of went and pressed split. And what I do usually is I'll just go through, I'll press split, and then I'll delete the previous clip of what I didn't want. So you can just do this. It's going to take a bit of time. It takes me really rather quickly to do this because I'm so used to it, you guys. But yeah, you just clip out whatever clips you want, and then once you do that, you go back to the front, and now we're going to add text. So you just click the T at the bottom, and right now I just chose the line text because I just feel like it kind of looks professional and clean and crisp. And you can go either and have this at the beginning or the center or lower thirds. And when you do lower thirds, that means that the text is at the bottom. So I'm just going in with this other clip here, and I'm just going to add Kelly's name. Gotta represent, boo, gotta represent. And then once I do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to exit out, and I'm going to go to Safari on the internet. I'm going to type in Google black square, and I'm going to download an image of a black square. You don't necessarily have to do black. You can do white. You can do any color that you want. But I pretty much wanted to kind of place a spacer in between where Kelly's getting ready and when we're about to shoot her. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to press the add media, goes to the black square, and put this right in the middle of this. And what you can do is you can just tap this, and this little yellow outline will appear around the clip you just tapped, and you can drag to trim opposed to pressing split and deleting. So I'm just going to add in this text again, and I'm going to put time to shoot with an iPhone emoji because sis fleet there with her iPhone, you know. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. And then basically right here I'm just playing around with the transitions. You can add any type of transition that you want. I wanted it to be really nice and clean, so I did nothing at all. And you can kind of see there how it doesn't go straight into shooting. It kind of has that pause, which I like. So after that, we are just going to save this movie as, because I can't type, iMovie intro on iPhone. So basically we just kind of did the basics here, and this is really beginner friendly. I didn't want to overwhelm you guys if you just want to do something simple. Right now I'm just saving the video and exporting it at 4K because I want the highest quality, and that's the quality that I shot on. But yeah, pretty much this is for beginner friendly. So you go into PocketVideo, you go into YouTube vlog, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to press this pink plus sign, go into videos, and I'm going to add the video from iMovie that we just edited. Now PocketMovie is great, you can edit your videos on this, but I like to use this just to kind of add like really fun animations, just to kind of give a basic video a little bit of a pop, right? Because this is a really basic tutorial. Again, I don't want to overwhelm you guys. This tutorial doesn't even have music. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go into sticker, and you can go to gifs or stickers. I don't like to do the gifs, so I go into the stickers because I like to have the little animation that's like yes queen or slay. So we're gonna do slay here because, you know, my best friend Afro is popping, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna add slay. You just take your fingers and you can pinch to zoom in or zoom out. And you can also go down here. What we're gonna do is you can cue when your animation sticker can come into the video so that it won't be throughout your entire video. So I'm just gonna fix it here and cue it here where it only shows at the beginning when she's getting her hair done, and then it stops. So I'm gonna add another one just because, you know, it's a basic little video. I didn't even add music to this because This is super beginner friendly. If you want to do an intro or anything like that, or even if you want to put up your first 30-second video just as your intro, you literally can just use your iPhone, iMovie, and PocketVideo. They're all free apps. So yeah, I went back into Pocket Movie, click sticker, and I clicked this animation, which I thought was really cool because we're actually shooting and shoot day. And that scene right there is just popping. Ryan, the girl with the guy's name, gang. Oh, come through. But yes, so I really like how this looks here. It gives it a really professional look, especially how, and literally you guys, I didn't have any type of equipment but my iPhone. I was using my hands slowly to like pan down to create this effect because I didn't have any of my equipment. It was such a last minute shoot. I ended up spending the night at her house and I just woke up and shot. So this video is like shot basic and edited basic, just to show you guys this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into documents, and this is a really cool trick that I teach everyone in my academy, as well as if you purchase my 8-day YouTube starter kit, but I'm teaching you guys this for free. So you can go into documents, because documents you can save videos. You're going to type in subscriber button animation green screen, because we are going to do a really cool trick on here. So in order to save the video, this is a trick. If you downloaded documents, you want to go up into the search engine where the link is, and you're going to place 2 S's behind the M period. And this is going to bring you to Save from Net, where you can directly save videos from YouTube straight to your camera roll. So this app is really awesome. I use it if I want to download songs or videos to use. All right, so what I'm doing now is just saving this green screen to my camera roll, and then we're gonna go back into PocketVideo, go to videos, and we're gonna press this add button, and we're gonna add this video to our we're gonna add the subscribe button animation to our video. So we're gonna go to camera roll, videos, green screen, and here's your green screen. Now this little tip will help you so much. So we've imported the green screen, and now what you're gonna do, because I want the entire thing, I'm not gonna cut it. What you're gonna do is, this red square is how big the green screen is, but you can't see it right now. So you're gonna adjust that. You're going to click mask, and then you're gonna select green screen right at the bottom there. And what will happen is that now you won't have that green screen background. You literally just have the animation over your video. And you lit, sis. I'm telling you, like, you are lit. Like, you do not have to be a professional. You do not have to be someone with years of experience. I'm teaching y'all simple ways to make your videos fleeky on a budget on your iPhone, on your pocket camera. So this is the end result. And then I'm just going to kind of play around with this scribble thing or whatever, and just kind of like draw a little heart and just add that in there, since I've added enough stickers and stuff like that. So this is basically it. So now it's going to render, and you are going to save this. And literally, you guys, like I said, every Friday I'm going to be posting iPhone Friday editing tips. Let me know in the comments what you guys want. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and support a sister, because I want to support you new content creators as well, which is why I do what I do. So we save this to our phone, and this is the end result. And I didn't add any music because I really wanted it to be like a behind the scene vlog. So you'll hear like the photographers and the model and stuff like that, and the stylist talking, because I purposely didn't want any music. But you can definitely add music. Just a tip, whenever I edit, I never edit without adding music first. So I always add music first and I edit to the music. It's just this specific video, I wanted to keep it as beginner friendly as possible, which is why I didn't get too crazy with the music. But music is easy. It's just the first thing that you add the audio, and then you basically do the steps that I taught you here. Here's my Instagram. You guys should follow me. And just so you know, I do YouTube channel banner arts, I do intros, I do outros, I do outro end screens, and yeah, you guys. And I also have my 8-week And I also have my 8-day YouTube starter kit ebook launching for the early bird price. So if you guys are interested in launching your YouTube channel and uploading your first video, I suggest that you grab yourself that ebook. Bye.